is a natural way of cleaning the forest floor. Fire is one natural way. The next way is termites. And termites will eat the wood and return something positive back to the soil. Oh, there's a crab right here. Now you have to look really good because it camouflages to the root. Can you see a crab? Actually, two crabs, right? Can you see that? Look at all of the roots with legs. These are called swamp bloodwood. Now if I take my knife or my machete and I slash the tree, the sap is red and brown. Wow. That's why it's called swamp bloodwood. They will test the bird based on the genetics of the tree and they come up with an idea. So this could be 300 years old. Again, the roots can tell you. The dominating religion is Catholic. It has so many definitions. What's the interpretation of religion, of Christian? You have real, genuine, hatical. There's a Caribbean word that we use. A lot of it is used from the Rastafarians. They say hatical, and they do this, which is a conscious state of mind.
Right.
So they operate with a big hat. To all so sweet and fair, almost surely gaze in wonders at thy gifts so rich and rare. Rivers, valleys, hills and mountains, all these gifts we do extol. Healthy land, so like all fountains, giving cheers that warms the soul. Dominica, God has blessed thee with a clime benign and bright, pastures green and flowers of beauty, filling all with pure delight. And their people strong and healthy, full of godly reverence fear, in which everyone rejoicing, all for each and each for all for each and each for all.
Magical.
That's the way of saying thank you for coming.
Magical.